In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your HubSpot inbound marketing certification in just 5 minutes. HubSpot is a well-known platform that offers a range of tools for businesses, and getting certified in inbound marketing can really boost your credentials in the marketing industry. It's a quick and straightforward process, so let's get started. First, open up your web browser and navigate to the HubSpot homepage. You can do this by entering hubspot.com into your address bar. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the site. HubSpot offers an array of software and tools designed to help businesses grow, and it's also the hub for their inbound marketing certification process. Now, look towards the top right corner of the homepage and you should see the login button. Go ahead and click on it. This will prompt you to enter your account information. If you're already signed up with HubSpot, simply enter your credentials and log in. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up first. Creating an account is a simple process, requiring just your name, email, and a password. Once you've logged in, you'll be redirected to your HubSpot homepage. On this page, you will see various options and tools related to your profile and the services HubSpot provides. Direct your attention to your profile icon. Clicking on your profile will reveal a drop-down menu with several actions. Among these options, find and click on HubSpot Academy. This is where the magic happens. The HubSpot Academy is a comprehensive platform offering a wide range of courses, certifications, and educational content designed to enhance your marketing skills. Once you're on the Academy page, take a moment to browse through the offerings. There are numerous topics available, but we're focusing on the inbound marketing certification today. With HubSpot Academy open, you'll need to locate the specific certification course you're interested in. Sometimes it might be highlighted under featured courses, or you can use the search bar to quickly find the inbound marketing certification. Click on the course title to begin the enrollment process. When you click on the course, you'll be taken to a new page with details about what the certification entails. Before you start, it's helpful to review the course outline so you know exactly what's included. The course will take you through a structured learning path ending in a certification exam. HubSpot provides video lectures, quizzes, and hands-on exercises to ensure you grasp the material. Once you're ready, start the course and work through the modules at your own pace. When you feel prepared, you'll take the final exam. Upon successful completion, you will receive your official HubSpot inbound marketing certification, which you can proudly display on your LinkedIn profile, resume, or professional website. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to earning your HubSpot inbound marketing certification. Good luck and happy learning.